Morning everyone. This morning we're going to be dividing, as you can see by the title here, multiplying and dividing decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. Now, the only thing different here than kind of any lesson that you've probably done about 5 times in the last couple of years is we're multiplying decimals rather than multiplying whole numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Key thing to remember, and this is the BBC Home Learning website, and I'll send you a link to this in the blog post. But you've got some information to read through, a little video. This is the key thing. It's saying here, actually, that's number 2 of 4, 1 of 4. It says, what is 4.2 multiplied by 10? So you've laid it out here in hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, hundreds, and 1000s. Sometimes we call that units. These days we seem to call it ones. It's both exactly the same thing. Now, if we're timesing by 10, multiplying by 10, there's 1 0 in 10, and we're going to move this number one space over to the left. Because every space you go to the left is 10 times as big. 1 times 10 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100. So you can see how that works with the numbers. So if we do that moving one space, they've done it underneath. The 2 goes to there, the 4 goes to there. The decimal point stays exactly where it always is, never moves. It's the numbers that move when we multiply and divide. So 4.2 becomes 42. Next, let's look at a dividing one. 27 divided by 10. So we're sharing 27 between 10 people. Let's say we've got £27. We need to share it between 10 people. We're not going to move it to the left this time. We're going to move both numbers to the right. So the 7's are going to go here, the 2's going to go there. So the 7's going to go from the 1's to the tenths, the 2 from the 10's to the 1's. Just like that. So it becomes 2.7. If you want to put that in pounds and pence, it's going to be £2 and 7, 0 with a placeholder, so £2.70 there. That's the key thing. To be honest, I would keep this bit of the website up when you're doing, there's 3 activities. If you push for time, just do 2 out of the 3. That's a little video activity you can do. Here's some, the answers for this. Activity 2 is in there, and then there's a few missing number ones as well. Have a little go through, answers are in there, but remember, if you get stuck at all, just go back to these little images. They're quite useful. There's obviously ones by 100 here, so you can just see the different steps that they're taking. So take a look at them and have a good go.